Hi guys, this is a video for intermediate speaking to talk about your group presentations. So you can find the document in the LMS and its title is Group Presentation Info Sheet ISS 2020. So this is the information sheet for your group presentations. So let's go ahead and take a look at it together and I can tell you about it. So here is the group presentation sheet for intermediate speaking. It is worth 20% of your grade. So it's very big, 20%. You will present with a group of 3 to 4 students and where it is our normal classroom. So we will maybe have a face-to-face class for the last week of class. And because it is face-to-face, I want to do group presentations. I don't want to do a listening test if we can have a face-to-face class. So we're going to change the listening test and the group presentation to make the group presentation together face-to-face. So it will be the last week of class. If you have Tuesday class, it's June 30th. And if you have Wednesday class, it's July 1st. So we will have our normal classroom and our normal class time to do the group presentations. If there is a change and we can't meet face-to-face because of coronavirus, we will do a Zoom class and have online presentations together. So the style of the presentation. The presentation should take 3 to 4 minutes per person in the group. So a group of 4 should be 12 to 16 minutes and a group of 3 should be 9 to 12 minutes. It's okay to go more time, but not to go less. So if you are a group of 4 students and your time for the presentation is 10 minutes only, you will have minus points for your group. So you should make a PowerPoint or Prezi to give a presentation about some topic. Like the individual presentation, don't use sentences, just many pictures. And you guys did a really good job on the individual presentations to make the style of the PPT with not reading sentences. Please use the same style as the individual presentation. Don't write sentences. Just show many pictures. Okay, and please do not read your presentations. Okay, so you'll have minus points if I see you are reading. The group should have a shared topic, but each student should have a different part of the total presentation. So each student should still have 3 main points, similar to your individual presentation. But you guys will have a shared big topic. So one example, for example, the topic could be adventure travel. And the group will introduce together, we are going to talk about adventure travel. And then student number 1 will say, okay, I will make the first 5 days of our adventure travel tour in the Philippines. And my main point 1 is kayaking in the Philippines, scuba diving in the Philippines, and rock climbing in the Philippines. Then the next student will talk about, okay, after the Philippines, we will go to Japan. And in Japan, we will do bungee jumping, and we will go hiking, and we will do a mountain bike ride. Okay, so like this. Each student has 3 main points for their own section, but together, you have one big share topic. Okay? So then you all give the conclusion together. So here are the topics you can choose from. You must use the textbook. So here are the topics. Breakthroughs. This is the last chapter, chapter 8. So you can do some past breakthroughs. And another idea is the future breakthroughs. Okay? The past breakthroughs or future breakthroughs. And in your video lecture for this week, I will talk a little bit about these because this is all from chapter 8 and this week we will have chapter 8 videos. So you can hear a little bit more about how to talk about the breakthroughs. And then another idea is adventure travel. You guys plan a tour for adventure travel. Where will your tour go? What will you do in each day? What activities will be included? Okay? So you have 3 choices. Breakthroughs past, breakthroughs future, or adventure travel. Okay? So you guys need to make a presentation with 3 main points. Each person has 3 main points, and your group together all shares the same topic. Okay? So here is the points, and it is out of 20 points. Oops, I made a mistake. I will change it now. So this is out of 20 points, and so the 4 points are available in 5 areas. So this is actually 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so you can see it's very similar to the other areas you've had before. There is flow between your group. So how well does your group work together? I want to know it is a group presentation. So you guys introduce together, you have the conclusion together, and when you change from one student talking to the next student talking, you should have a transition. This is a little bit important, so I'm going to make a big face so you can see me. So when one student finishes and the next student starts, so maybe this student is saying, we will go to the Philippines and go kayaking. And the next student is saying, we will go to Japan and do bungee jumping. This student, don't just stop and walk away and this student walk up. No, you need to have a transition. So like, here is the Philippines. Okay, we have finished the Philippines. Next, Jihyun will tell you about Japan. Yes, oh, the Philippines was so great. Thank you. Oh, Japan seems very exciting. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, let's talk about Japan. All right, so you need to have some interaction with your group when you change. Not just one student and the Philippines is great. The end. Hi, let's talk about Japan. Okay, you should have some talking to your group. Make your group together as a group, okay? So that is what I mean about transition. All right, so group flow, details and quality information, fluency and pronunciation, difficulty, and use the textbook. So this is very similar to your midterm and to your individual presentations. So this is how you should do your group presentation. If you have any questions, please send me a message. You can send me a message on LMS in the Q&A, or you can send me a message on Kakao. You can call me, you can email me. Kakao is best, and the LMS is very good also because many students can read the answer to the question. So I'm very excited to see your group presentations and to see you all in our classroom together. Yay! Hopefully we can have class together that day. If not, we will do Zoom. On Zoom, you can share screen. So if we can't meet together, we will share screen on Zoom and you guys can do the group presentation that way. All right. I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks, guys. Bye.